This side, this side, this side.
This side? Wait, what side? Oh my god! I'll turn on the hazard too.
Oh, that's the police one.
Oh my god, let's fucking go.
He's trying to catch you up.
God damn. Oh fuck, what the fuck? Don't flip him off, retard!
He's so mad about it.
For real, bro. I fucking told you he had a gun! I told you he had a gun, retard! Back off.
Get off.
I told you he had a fucking gun, AJ!
I don't care. I just don't want him to get out of his phone. I really don't care.
Nah, cause why is it this one is fun?
Don't get off. No, he can't catch you.
I've been recording this whole time.
Did you record that?
Yeah, I recorded everything.
I want to know for. I
Did
want
you
to
get the gun?
I think so, I think so.
Let me tell you